The Google Pixel 7 Pro is a very expensive phone. It also has a very fragile body and you need to protect it with a good case. A good case not only protects your phone from scratches, it also makes the phone look much better. A good case is one that is made of durable materials and not easily broken. It should also have a nice design which doesn't make your phone look ugly or cheap. A good case should be easy to install and remove without damaging the smartphone's body or screen. So today's video I will show you 8 best case for your Google Pixel 7 Pro you can buy Amazon. If you want more information and most up-to-date pricing on the products we mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description. If you are new here, please consider subscribing our channel and press the bell icon so you don't miss any new video. So let's go. Number 8. Tech 21. Protect your Google Pixel 7 Pro Evo Lite from 10 feet falls, spills, and drops with Tech 21's 10 feet multi-drop protection. This sleek, lightweight phone case is precisely engineered for the Google Pixel 7 Pro Evo Lite by listening to what Google requires in a case. We've also included a 100% clear back to show off the Google Pixel 7 Pro Evo Lite and also ensure compatibility with most wireless chargers. Get the protection you need with Tech 21's new Google Pixel 7 Pro Evo Lite thin phone case. Designed with a silicone rubber bumper, you can have peace of mind knowing we have got you covered. Made from thin and lightweight materials that add no extra bulk. Number 7. Serial. Serial is a TPU case for the Google Pixel 7 Pro that provides full protection and a smooth matte finish. Serial is designed to be lightweight yet strong enough to offer comprehensive protection from drops, bumps, and scratches. The thin and flexible design will not interfere with wireless charging, headphone ports, or camera quality. Serial can also be used as a kickstand for your phone and has a non-slip grip. All the features are in place, from the flexible TPU material to the smooth matte finish and full body protection. So, does your phone need a little Serial stone? Spigen air cushion technology and military-grade drop tested to provide full body protection of your device. Number 6. Caseology. You've been dropped, you've been bumped, and it feels like you've been kicked from all the different angles, but your phone is still protected. This military-grade case is designed to be tough so that your Pixel 7 Pro won't have to worry about any scratches or cracks. Protect and personalize your device with this slim and form-fitting case. Made of premium TPU, it'll protect your phone from scratches and falls. The slim raised bezels keep your screen protected when placed face down, and the vertical alignment ensures that you can access all ports, buttons, and features on the phone without obstruction. The most rugged case for the Google Pixel 7 Pro, military-grade drop tested and designed with a parallax design that is guaranteed to phone from scratches, cracks, damage. The slim, yet durable case features a shock-absorbing bumper to protect the phone while still looking amazing. Number 5. Iologyaffles. You need the best protection for your Google Pixel 7 Pro case and you want something comfortable. The Iologyaffles for Google Pixel 7 Pro case is made of military-grade materials, so it won't break easily. It's also equipped with a grip that absorbs shocks to keep your phone from getting damaged when dropped. It's time to protect your Google Pixel 7 Pro case with the best protection. The Iologyaffles is a perfect match for your Google Pixel 7 Pro. With military-grade drop-tested protection, scratch-resistant, and available in a range of colors to suit your style, pick the one that's right for you. This military-grade drop-tested case has an integrated grip for a secure grip and protection on all sides. Number 4. QMobile. QMobile is our latest and greatest design to date. Designed with a clean, glossy, and sleek look, the case provides a snug fit that's easy to get on and off, while still providing maximum protection for your Google Pixel 7 Pro. The case is made up of shock-absorbent TPU, which will flex but won't stretch or tear. To keep your phone looking pristine without adding bulk or weight, we've designed the case so that it doesn't hide the beauty of your phone. You'll be able to see your handset's natural color. QMobile waterproof cases are made of best quality PC and thermoplastic polymer. It is designed to offer full protection from water and mud, durable enough to withstand accidental drops, scrapes, and bumps. With 2 connection points on the case, it's more stable than traditional lanyard straps. Number 3. Unique. Show your personality with really personalized gifts. Customize a phone case using your own custom photo. Personalized phone case is perfect for all occasions: birthdays, Christmas, graduation, anniversary, Halloween, and Thanksgiving Day. This phone case is a great way to keep your Google Pixel 7 Pro looking sleek and stylish. Protect from scratches and give it a personalized touch with this soft and thin. This personalized phone case is perfect for you. Your favorite picture will be printed on TPU so you can use your phone without worrying about scratching it. See your photo with others in our shop and in your home. When you are looking for a unique gift, this is the perfect choice. Number 2. Casemate. Live life in the fast lane with this luxurious, shimmering case. The Casemate Pixel 7 Pro Twinkle Amber Diamonds case features a back and sides made of a luxurious, sparkling, crystal clear TPU with a beautiful, diamond-cut design that's sure to elevate your style. We've also added wireless charging to easily keep your phone charged on the go. Explore the world's most fashionable cases for your new phone. Casemate's Google Pixel 7 Pro cases make any photo look like $1,000,000. Choose from an array of different glitter finishes and textures to find your perfect look. All our cases are made from scratch to fit your phone, are ultra slim, and come with a lifetime warranty. We design our cases with users' needs in mind to provide a well-rounded case that is as functional as it is beautiful. In addition to extraordinary protection, this case includes wireless charging capabilities and a 10-foot drop protection rating. Number 1. OtterBox. If you're looking for a lightweight, slim, protective case that goes unnoticed in your hand, the OtterBox Symmetry Clear Series case is the perfect solution. Made of clear polycarbonate, this case is designed to protect your phone from everyday use. With its glossy and textured exterior, it offers the protection of a case without adding bulk to your phone. Introducing OtterBox's newest case for the Google Pixel 7 Pro. Made with a clear, slim, and sleek design, this accessory will protect your phone from dust, scratches, and everyday accidents. Get the new Symmetry Clear Series case for Pixel 7 Pro, a clear choice in mobile device protection. Raised edges protect camera and screen, and case is easy to install and remove for quick style changes. Thin profile slips easily into tight pockets. The one-piece design pops on and off in a flash, and durable protection shields against drops, bumps, and fumbles.